Hello, Amy Sindicic here. Welcome to Grammar in a Nutshell. Today's topic, future perfect continuous. Let me remind you of the 4 ways to express future. Will for instant decisions and general predictions. Be going to for pre-planned decisions and predictions based on evidence. Present continuous for near future, and we have simple present for timetables and schedules. Future perfect simple is used to express something that will be complete before a specified future time. I will have completed my studies by this time next year. The plane will have already arrived if we don't get to the airport soon to meet them. I have a couple of other examples there. Today's topic, future perfect continuous, to express something that will continue into the future up to a specified future time. Example, I will have been playing tennis for 5 years as of next month. Emphasizes a continuous action or process over an extended period. Next example, she will have been studying medicine for 3 years as of September. Just 1 more year to go before we can call her doctor. Emphasizes a continuous period of study. They will have been living in Ecuador for 5 years by May. Emphasizes a continuous residence in a country over an extended period. The baby will have been napping for 4 hours by the time we arrive. Hopefully, he will not be cranky. Cranky means irritable. It emphasizes an uninterrupted nap up until our arrival for a specific duration of time. The form of present perfect continuous subject will have been in present participle. I will have been teaching, you will have been dancing, he, she will have been painting, we will have been leaving, you will have been coming, they will have been eating. Future perfect continuous contraptions. Subject will have been in present participle. I'll have been dancing, I'll have been teaching, you'll have been dancing, he'll have been painting, she'll have been painting, it'll have been painting, will have been leaving, you'll have been coming, they'll have been eating. Future perfect continuous negative. Subject will not have been and present participle. I will not have been teaching. You will not have been dancing. He, she, it will not have been painting. We will not have been leaving. You will not have been coming. They will not have been eating. Future perfect continuous questions. Will subject have been and present participle. So we have, will I have been teaching? Will you have been dancing? Will he, she, it have been painting? Will we have been leaving? Will you have been coming? Will they have been eating? Future perfect continuous Q&A to express something that will continue into the future up to a specified time. Question, will she have been living here long enough to apply for citizenship by next year? Positive answer, yes or yes she will. Same question, negative answer, no or no she won't. Yes, it's quite possible to say, yes, she will have been living here, or yes, she will have been. No, she will not have been. No, she won't have been. It's far more likely that someone will just keep it simple. Yes, she will. No, she won't, or simply yes or no. We try to keep things simple, especially in conversation. Thank you for visiting me here at Grammar in a Nutshell. Please visit me at amysindicic.com. Thank you.